Hi, and today I'm filming this super easy natural bridal look. So I'm starting off with moisturiser and a moisturising primer mixed with the Smashbox Photo Finish Illuminating primer. I love this stuff. It gives a nice healthy base and glow to your skin. It looks lovely, as you can see. Then I'm using my Nars Sheer Glow foundation, and I'm just popping this onto my eyelids to start off with, and then a light dusting of a loose powder just to set. I'm using Limit from the Naked 2 palette for my transition colour, just above the brow bone, above the crease, just for something to blend into everything. Then I'm going in with Strange, which is a sort of creamy white colour, just on top of that colour to blend it in. And then I'm going in with Nuna, which is my contour shade. You can use any colours for this look, darker, lighter, more neutral, whatever you like. Just blend above that crease and up to get a lovely shape around your eye. I'm now using a dark brown pencil. The one I'm using is from NYX and it's waterproof, it lasts all day. Just following the shape of my eyes. This is so easy to do, don't worry about being neat because we are going to smudge it in a second. For that corner, follow the line of the bottom of your eyelid and do the line as long or as short as you want to. I've done this look really big, I've done it really small like this. Whatever you need to do, and just connect it back up again. Using a dark brown eyeshadow, I'm just going over that with a eyeshadow eyeliner brush and just smudging it over to make it really smudgy and smoky. Again, you can do it as big or small as you want to. I've done this with green on a night out the other night and it looked awesome. It was massive, but this is just nice and natural for the day. Then I'm going to add a gold tone eyeshadow. This is Trick onto the lid. You might want to use some pigments or some glitter, it's up to you. I'm curling my eyelashes and adding in that eyeliner to the upper rim. The difference it makes to your eyes, you can see there, it just opens them up and deepens your lash line. I'm then going to go back in with the colours and just darken everything, just mess around with it, have a little play, just a little bit at a time, and blend away. I'm now using the foundation on the rest of my face. I've just dotted it on and then I apply a little bit more to the centre of my face. I love this foundation, you don't need a lot of it and it really evens out. I'm now using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is a really nice one. I'm just dotting it under my eyes where it's slightly darker and around my nose, and I'm just stippling it in to really push it into the skin to get that flawless finish. Making sure I go into that corner where I go a little bit blue and a little bit around my nose where I get some redness. And then just any of the excess that's on the brush down the centre of the nose. I'm using the IT Cosmetics Universal Taupe brow pencil, just filling in the gaps. I don't want a really bold brow, but just want them to be neat, and topping it off with the NYX brow gel, which I absolutely love. Next, using my bronzer from the Balm palette, I'm just going to slightly contour under my cheeks and around the edges of my face. I'll list all the products below that I use. And from the same palette, I'm going to be using the blush, which is a really pinky tone, perfect for bridal. Just starting it on the centre of my cheeks and working it out into that bronzer as well. Then I'm topping with this really peachy shimmery blush on top, just to add a little bit of that healthy skin glow. Then I'm using their highlighter, which is amazing. I'm just rolling that onto my brush and just on the top of my cheekbones, down the centre of my nose and on my brow bone to make it all brighten up, and the inner corner of my eye, which looks so pretty. I love this highlighter. I'm going back in with that dark brown shade that we smudged the liner out and just joining it underneath my eyes. You can make this as dark or as light or as big as you wish. I'm then pushing a black eyeshadow right into my lash line just to deepen my eyelashes without a heavy eyeliner, just to add a little bit more definition. I'm using some individual cluster lashes just in the centre to the outer third of my eye. I think on my day I'm going to use some strip lashes, but I just pop these on just to show you what you can do, which is a little bit less dramatic and super easy. I lined my eyes with a flesh coloured eyeliner and just powdering my face. I'm now using a matte white highlighter on top of that highlight we used before, and then topping it back over with more highlight because I love highlighter. Filling in my lips with lip liner and a natural lipstick. I used one from No. 7, and just going in and touching up all those shadows, and that's it, we're done. It's super easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in the next one.